Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to give you information on attendance basic report. From the side menu, come up under the report, there is attendance basic. Once you click on this, you are landed to a screen where you can click on generate report to analyze your team average work hours, break hours and the attendance percentage. Attendance percentage is also included here, where you can see that the pictorial representation in a graphical view for the member presence per day is shown. Here you can see the average work hours, the average attendance percentage of all of the members of the organization, any average break that they have taken. You can see the name of the members, the total days, total working hours, days present, absent, leaves taken, any paid leaves are there, unpaid are there, total hours they have worked, and what was the actual working hours, what was the average work hour and the average break hours that they had taken. The attendance percentage is going to show you like this against the each member name, and even you can click on the basic here to have the data available as in the advanced as well. Let's talk about the filters first. Here you can filter out the data from here. You can send as to a specific email address this report, and then you can have this report specific time, you can schedule it, you can have it download as a PDF or a CSV format. Date range can be selected under which you wish to see the data for, and even as one single member can be selected from here drop down. Let's look to the advanced report. Once you click on the advanced report, you will be able to see the data as per the specific date here. You can see that the user has been absent or is in present, what was the time that has been logged against the specific user. It gives you the week of data as well. The average attendance and the average working hours is also mentioned on this. Here also in the attendance advanced report, you can also send, schedule and even download the data. This was all about the attendance reports, basic and advanced. Thank you.